So you're probably here for this berry, red, pink series, the mauves and mauves and whatever you want to call them. All right, so this shade is called Belgian Waffle. This was the box it was in. This is the shade. And I wanted to use it with current news. So let's see what it's talking about. You can see this is like a fuchsia. And yeah, babe, when you're not doing your makeup, filter comes in handy. All right, let's see. Pretty true to color. You see? It's like a pretty berry. Let's see. All right, so we're gonna compare that to homemade waffle. Not too far off, right? Let me show y'all. Belgian waffle, homemade. They're not too far off. When I have to do content, I'm just like, ooh. Find somebody else to do it. I actually don't mind doing content. It's all the work that I do that's getting to me. You know what I mean? Meetings and spreadsheets and stats and data and all kind of stuff. And they gotta get on here. And this is the part I like, playing in the makeup. Okay, so same thing. I think we're gonna try, what's in my nail? The lip liner in the shade Swedish on homemade waffle. Because last time we used current news, and this is the difference. So you can always choose a lip liner that's gonna give the lipstick a pop, like a pop of color. You can make it spot on. It's really up to you. So here we go. You can see this is like a step away from like red. This is more sangria. I like to spread it around a little bit. Now I'm gonna grab my homemade waffle and ooh, that's pretty. We walk away from the filter so you can see. That's cute. I'm not typically a pink girl. Like, I love it in my day-to-day life. But as far as wearing this color on my lips, I don't normally just grab it. But it is cute. Alright, okay, we are moving on. The last lip liner we have from the discontinued Sugar Sticks lip liner line is Jello Goodbye. This is red. So we're gonna see how this goes with Waffle Pops and Chicks and Waffles. And then we will wrap up with Ube Mochi. Ube Mochi Waffle and the Current News. We'll bring that one back for this one. So here we go. The last 3 shades. Waffle Pops, Chicks and Waffle, Chicks and Waffles, and then Ube Mochi. It's like a purple. So you can see Jello Goodbye is that girl. This line is all kind of jacked up. I'm not here for the shenanigans. They always manage to shenanigan, so. All right. Yeah. Filter be playing a little bit. Lined with Jello Goodbye. And we're going in with Chicks and Waffles. You can see how brick this is. So to me, it's like a bit more pigmented than, leaning more red than like Ginger Snap. All right, y'all can see I took off my foundation. A little breakout over there. But I'm gonna use Current News lip liner, and then we're gonna use Ube Mochi Waffle. This is a beautiful, rich, a wine purple. See, a wine purple, gorgeous. Thank you so much for tuning in, and that completes the Waffle Things swatch party. Again, there's 10 different shades. You can get them at Ulta Beauty in store, or you can get them on Ulta Beauty's website or on the beautybakery.com site and use code Cashmere to save. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoy your treat after you buy it.